Like my injuries and I have here. This is hard to measure.
Good job. Mason does his best 2 to 3 times a day. The vest vibrates at different frequencies. And the vest blows up at different pressures. And it helps to promote airway clearance so that Mason can breathe better and so his lungs stay healthy. What do we like to do when we do your vest? What do we do when we do your vest? So Mason was telling you that we put in our levobuterol and our acetylcysteine in the neb cup, and they help break up the mucus and open his airways so that he can breathe better. Where's the furthest place that we've ever taken your vest with us, Mason?
St. Thomas.
Where's St. Thomas?
Oh, way out of way.
Did we go on an airplane to get there?
Yeah.
So we take the vest with us on any trip that we go on.
Yeah.
For example, we did go to the island of St. Thomas, not the school. If you're from Minnesota, that often is confused. We travel to St. Cloud frequently, and we also travel to Ohio quite often to see family. And Mason's vest travels along with us. He has probably missed maybe 2 or 3 vest treatments in his lifetime, and that has been simply because the power has gone out during the summer. Other than that, we're proud to say we don't miss a treatment, do we? Nope. Should we play Crazy 8s now?
Yes.
All right.